Welcome to Innovent Cake and Cookies. Today I'm sharing Mini Vapa Pitha. Soft, lightly sweet and steamed to perfection. A winter favorite that's so light you can enjoy as much as you want. Let's start the recipe. In a blender, add 1 cup suji, 1 teaspoon sugar and 1 cup milk. Blend into a smooth batter and keep aside. In a pan, add 1 cup grated jaggery and 1 cup grated coconut. Cook on medium heat. Stirring continuously. Stir jaggery and coconut constantly to avoid burning. Cook until the mixture thickens. Keep aside. Now add half teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon salt to the batter. Mix well. Batter should be smooth but not too thin. Grease oil in an Appe pan. Grease the pan well for easy release. Pour the batter into each mold. Add a spoon of coconut jaggery mixture in the center. Cover with more batter. Boil some water. Place the Appe pan for steaming and steam for 10 to 12 minutes. Always steam on medium heat for even cooking. Remove and serve warm. Vapa Pitha is a traditional Bengali winter delicacy. Steaming keeps pitha soft and light. Jaggery and coconut is the classic pitha filling. Mini pithas are easier to cook and serve. Steaming uses no oil or frying. Jaggery is a natural sweetener. Coconut provides healthy fats and energy. Light desserts are easier to digest. Your Mini Vapa Pitha is soft, aromatic and perfectly steamed. Enjoy it warm with family and friends. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Innovent Cake and Cookies for more traditional winter recipes.